Thank you for calling CTHM Restaurant. This is Shaina Peñafiel. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, ma'am, I'm speaking to.
Miss Pescante.
Spell out your name. Pescante. Did I get your name correct?
Yes.
May I know your contact details?
906-3538-805.
Thank you, ma'am. Miss Pescante, should I make a reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, ma'am?
Today.
For how many people, ma'am?
For 2,
What time do you want your reservation is?
6 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation, ma'am?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 o'clock p.m. today, June 1, 2024, for 2 persons only in the non-smoking area, under your name, Elaine Pescante, with a contact number of 0963-538805. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Is there anything you would like to request, ma'am?
None.
Miss Pescante, thank you for patronizing CTHM Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcoming you.
Thanks.